Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Nvidia graphic drivers for Windows. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your any browser and in the search bar, search for Nvidia website. Go to the website and here you will see two options. Either go with automatic driver detection or search for drivers manually. We are moving ahead with the latter option. Please note that we are selecting the specific Nvidia GPU that we have, which is this one here. Select the correct operating system, which is Windows 11 in this case. Select language and then select the driver type. After all this, click on Start Search. It will take a few moments and the download option will be available to you beneath. Choose the latest GeForce Game Ready driver by checking the release date. Next, click on Get Download. You will be taken the next page for driver details. Click on Download. Your Nvidia GPU driver has begun downloading. Once the download is finished, double-click on the file to start the installation. Once it is start installing, you need to click on Next to advance the setup process in between. And that's pretty much it. That's how to download and install Nvidia graphic driver for Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.